Hi friends, it's me, Manny the Meerkat. Welcome to Mannytopia.
Hey kids, come sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for bee, buzzing to the beat. C is for cat, purring happily. D is for dog, come and dance with me. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, jumping all day long. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters easy as can be. A to Z, let's clap and sway. We learn and play the Mannytopia way. G is for giraffe, tall as a tree. H is for hippo, splashing happily. I is for iguana, cool and green. J is for jellyfish, glowing in the sea. K for koala, cuddly and round. L is for lion with a roaring sound. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is easy as can be. A to Z, let's dance along. Every letter makes a happy song. M is for monkey, swinging so free. N is for nest, high in the tree. O is for octopus, wiggling 8 arms. P is for panda with cuddly charm. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for turtle, slow and polite. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for violin, playing sweet refrains. W is for whale, singing low and deep. X marks the spot for treasures we keep. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra with stripy clothes. We sang the alphabet, hooray, hooray. Let's sing it again, the Mannytopia way.
Don't forget to subscribe for more sing-along adventures videos with us every week.